Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to resize and change aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. This is going to be a quick tutorial. If you want to reduce square, vertical, or any custom size, I'm going to teach you how to quickly resize it and change your aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So step 1, open your project. Of course, we need to open your project. The application itself also need to be opened, and basically create a new sequence. Go to File, click on New, and go to Sequence. Choose a preset closest to your desired size, or click the settings to enter custom width and height. It's just like Canva. Next up, change sequence settings. Under the frame size, enter the new width and height. Example for Instagram square, it's going to be 1080 by 1080. For TikTok vertical, that will be 1080 and 1920. Click OK, and you'll be good to go. Step number 4, please do not forget to adjust your video. Select your clip in the timeline. Go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you should see Scale to Resize. Position to center your object. And step 5 is Export your video. Now go to File, Export, and Media. Of course, do not forget to check your resolution matches your new aspect ratio. Click Export, and basically these are the tips I can give you. For social media, use the common sizes. For the IG square or Instagram square, go for 1080 and 1080. TikTok and Reels, that will be 1080 by 1920. And YouTube, that will be 1920 by 1080. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.